How to redeem Monopoly code to McDonald's app. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your Monopoly Go code in the McDonald's app. So if you've got a game piece and you're not sure where to enter it, follow along step by step and I'll walk you through everything. So if you're trying to redeem your Monopoly Go code on your McDonald's account, don't worry. It's actually super simple. First things first, you'll need to prepare a few things. First, make sure you have the McDonald's app installed on your phone or tablet. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play. Then make sure it's updated to the latest version. And of course, have your Monopoly game piece ready. That little paper slip with a printed code on it. You'll usually find the code on the back or underneath the game piece, so double check before we move on. Once you've got everything ready, open up your McDonald's app. On the home screen, you should see a Monopoly banner or icon. That's your shortcut to the event. If you don't see it right away, scroll down or tap on the More tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside that section, you should find the Monopoly option. Inside the Monopoly section, you'll notice a button that says Scan Code or Enter Code. You can redeem your game piece in one of two ways. You can scan the code, simply point your phone's camera at the code, and wait a few seconds for it to register. If the app asks for permission to use your camera, just tap Allow. Also, you can enter the code manually. Type it in carefully, making sure every letter and number matches exactly what's printed. Once you've done that, the app will instantly show what you've won. It could be a free menu item, like fries, a burger, or a drink, or a collectible property piece that adds to your virtual Monopoly board for bigger prizes later on. If it's a food prize, you'll find it saved under the Deals or Offers section of the McDonald's app. Then, the next time you place an order, just select the reward and apply it to your purchase. If it's a property piece, it'll automatically appear on your digital Monopoly board inside the app. No extra steps needed. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Monopoly Go code in the McDonald's app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.